Good afternoon, guys. We're going to head out to Cocoa Beach today. Let's get ready and let's head out. Alright, so getting off the ship was pretty easy. All we needed was our cruise card and our ID, which was a driver's license. We did not need our passport. We walked down here and we found our signage on what bus we're to get on for our transfer to Cocoa Beach, which happened to be number 6. So once on the bus, they gave us directions, they gave us armbands to put on so they knew that we were on this transfer. You can also take these shuttles over here for $20 a piece, but you are on your own to get back to the ship. The ship will leave without you. Just taking a look at the beautiful port on our way to Cocoa Beach, which was about a 10-minute drive, not too far. They parked in the parking lot here with Ron Jon's, which was absolutely amazing. It's the largest one in the world, from what I'm told. When we walked in, it was almost a bit overwhelming. They had everything you could think of for surfing attire, summer attire, flutter boards. They had anything you could think of as far as beach toys, attire, games. Was beautiful. There was a lot of really neat things, and it was 2 floors, so you were able to go upstairs, which had a lot of the kids' stuff upstairs. They had these beautiful little water ponds in here as well, which gave it a little bit of a decorative touch. They had elevators if you had trouble with walking, so it was very accessible to get you upstairs. This upstairs place was where a lot of the kids' attire was. Both girls and boys, lots of options for swimsuits, t-shirts. Followed this little path and we got to the beach, which was beautiful. There was lots of set up sun umbrellas that you could use. We didn't know beforehand, but a little piece of information was you could rent these umbrellas for $20 a piece, and it was all set up in the lifeguard monitored area, and they only accept cash. This was a gorgeous beach. The water was nice, the sand was soft, the waves were really fun. A little tidbit would be to get one of those boogie boards from Ron Jon's and ride the waves in, especially if you had kids. It would be a lot of fun. So we spent the day here, a few hours, and then we caught our shuttle back to the boat, which was very easy. They were running about every 45 minutes, shuttles back to the boat. That's the pier you can walk down to. Lots of shops and restaurants down by the pier. We did not go that far. Be sure to stay tuned for more excursion videos.